So next students, next topic we are going to discuss the image formed in a pair of mirror. And these are the two mirror. You know that at home also you can perform same experiment. One mirror, one plane mirror is fixed on the wall, and second mirror you take and hold it at the back of your face. Then look at the pictures, look at the images, that how many images can be formed. So two parallel mirrors are there. If two parallel mirrors are there, how many images can be found? Can you guess it? No. So we can guess it by the angle, because the sum of the angle is 360. Sum of the angle is 360. Then at which angle you are keeping that the another mirror? If it is 90 degree, then how much it can be? 4 can be there. 4 images can be there. Okay, if you keep 60, if you are keeping 60, then 6 images can be there. So our formula is 360 upon theta. 360 upon theta. By this we can find out the images, how many images can be formed when we keep the two parallel images, parallel mirrors, sorry. Okay, so this is the formula by 360 upon theta. Now two mirrors are kept parallel to each other, then theta is 0. If it is 0, suppose here is 0, then what will be the answer? The answer is infinity. Infinite number of images can be formed. So two plane mirror kept parallel to each other, an infinite number of, because what is the angle of this between? This is the 0 degree angle. Then infinite number of images can be formed. So how it can be formed? Suppose here this is the P, object is lying in between this, then this is the reflection, two images can be there. This is incident ray for A image, for A mirror, this is the incident ray. It can reflect the rays at this position, at this position. This is the reflected ray, and for B this reflection is as a incident ray, so then it can reflect the images on this one. Okay, so for this B, this is the incident ray, but for the A, this is the reflected ray. This is a reflected ray, then it can be incident ray. Then again, so on, it can goes on. So how many are there? One is at this point, at this position. One is at this position, and so on can be formed. One can be at this position. This is I1. This is second image, and this can be third image, and so on can be formed when two plane mirrors can be kept in parallel. So in a showroom or in a barber shop are arranged in this manner. You know that very well. So a thick plane mirror also forms a multiple of images. Why a thick plane mirror also form a multiple number of? This type of questions ICSE is asking. So because of multiple reflection of glass prism is there, and you know that you have experience. The second image is the second one image is the brightest image out of the multiple images. Why the second image is brightest one in the multiple image? Because of the strong reflection. On the second images. Others are partially reflected. Partially reflected means some reflection can be goes to other direction and some are goes to another direction. So, but on the second, 90% reflection is on the second. Others are having 70 or 75 or 80, somewhat like that only. So, second image is the brightest image due to reflection of a strong reflection at this one. Then, if the two images are kept, two mirrors are kept in perpendicular shape. If we keep as a perpendicular, then how many images can be formed? Perpendicular means our formula is n is equal to 360 upon 90 degree. It is perpendicular, so it is 90 degree. So 4 images can be there. 4 images can be there. So 2 mirrors kept perpendicular to each other, 3 images are formed on an object between them. So why it is 3? Don't it is even number. If it is even number, the number of images are always less than one number, that number. Okay, if it is even number. So if it is odd number here, then same. So suppose here we can take the example. Suppose here is a 45 degree angle. 45 degree angle we can take. Then how many are there? So suppose how many 50, suppose here is a 50, 45 are there. Then how many are supposed to be there? Then it can be odd number, so number of images can be same. Then multiple images are there. How many, like suppose we are here keeping a one P point at here, it falls the reflection on here, then this is the reflection on B image, this is B and this is A, then this is incident ray, this is a reflected ray. Then it can be formed at downside also. This one image can be here, second can be at this position, this is I2, then third one is on the same side of it, one is on the downside and one is on the upside, like that is there. So 3 images can be formed when 2 mirrors are kept perpendicular to each other. So uses, what are the uses? Where we are using this one? The most commonly and wide use overlooking glass we are using. In opticians rooms we are used to see this one by checking the length of the room, and in the barber shop also we are seeing the here at the back of the head. So in a periscope, 2 parallel mirror are lying over there at the 90 degree angle. So students, try to read this topic and solve the examples. Very easy are there, symmetrically or asymmetrically are there. So try to read this one, and if you have a doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.